welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I reset this Mac into factory settings, not even with the original OS or not even with the newest OS, but actually with macOS El Capitan, simply because it's just the easiest one and because I already have a USB, which is the one I'm going to be using to reset this computer to factory settings. I'm going to show you how to. And let's get right into the video. Okay guys, and the reason I'm going to be doing this in this iMac is because it's just so slow, and I'm going to do a clean install so it's not as slow, and even if it's not going to have an SSD, which would make it super fast, the original hard drive still working kind of fine, and it's gonna be good enough for now. So the first thing you want to do for this process is you want to go ahead and shut down your Mac. Go ahead and shut it down right there and shut down. Another thing you want to do is always have your Magic Mouse or whichever mouse you're using and keyboard on. In my case I have the original keyboard and mouse. Another thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a little cleaning on this iMac. Now that it has shut off, the first thing you want to do is hold down Command R. Command R. Those two buttons. Hold Command R until the computer finishes loading. Let's go ahead and hit the power button. And as soon as you hit it, Command R. So this computer does take a while to boot, so I'm not going to record it all of it, but yeah, you just have to hold down the Command R until the Mac finishes booting up. Okay guys, so now that it has loaded, as you can see, after pressing Command R without letting go, without touching anything else, it will come out and load into the macOS utilities. So if you want to do reinstall a new copy of macOS, you won't lose any data if you do this way. You just go ahead and click here. It's all really easy to do. Also, we already have Wi-Fi and all that stuff. But in my case, I want to install macOS from this USB stick. Okay guys, so before reinstalling the macOS and just putting this USB into the iMac and reinstalling it, you first have to wipe the hard drive. Let's go ahead and click continue. Once this loads up, some computers may take more time to load up. We're going to go ahead and choose our hard drive, and we're going to go ahead and erase. I'm going to leave it like that. You can change your name right now for the hard drive. I don't know why you would, but I'm going to do it. We're going to go ahead and click done. And if we go here, it should be empty. That is great. Can erase, and because we already did that, we can partition it, but I'm not gonna partition it. If you want to, you can, but I'm not gonna do that. Now we can exit disk utilities, and we can now go ahead and close this up. And now we're gonna let's just shut down the Mac. Not restart, but just shut down. After we shut down, we want to plug in the USB, or you can plug it in after it has turned on. Oh! Sorry about that. Or you can plug it in after it has turned off. After it has turned on, sorry about that. In my case, here we go, it's turned off. In my case, I won't put it in until it has turned on. So now instead of Command R, you want to go ahead and put the Option key. You want to go ahead and hold down the Option key again. And now you just want to click the power button and hold the Option key. You want to wait until this loads, and it's going to bring up the boot picker. Then you want to insert the USB drive and boot from the USB drive. And then you're going to be able to run the USB, so you can install macOS on it. So this shouldn't take that long. There we go. So there we have that. And we can now go ahead and pop this USB open. So you want to insert your USB drive right there. Once you do, it's going to appear right there. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. That's the animation when you take it out. So let me just plug it back in. You plug it back in, and there you go. You can use keyboard or mouse. You can also use the choose network. You can do internet recovery, but we're gonna boot up from the installer. Just hit enter, and after it turns on, I'll be back. That's the installer. By the way, I will link down below the link so you can make your own installer. Apple actually has their installer guide. Go ahead and click continue, agree once again, and there we go. That's what we want to see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click that. We can customize, and we don't want to customize right now. Let's just go ahead and click the hard drive and continue. 17 minutes remaining. I'm not gonna do a time lapse of this. This is gonna be boring for you guys. But this is gonna take some time. Right now it should be installing the OS into the hard drive of the Mac. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After this, you're gonna have the guide, the setup guide, which I will teach you how to do and how to set up your brand new Mac, because technically it's how your Mac would look like when it was brand new. So this iMac has finished turning on, and this is now, you can now go ahead and just go at the back right here and take this USB out, which is pretty hot. That would be normal, don't worry about that. So we click our country, your keyboard, and you choose your internet connection. So here is one of the most important steps on your setting up. Do not transfer any information is the one I'm going to be doing today. So let's go ahead and do not transfer any information right now. Also, I will enable location services so the iMac knows like the weather and stuff. And I'm gonna sign in. Go ahead and agree. And agree. Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna see after the terms and conditions. You're gonna have to do your account right now. Okay guys, so now that has loaded, your account information is gonna go ahead and setting up your iCloud account. So we have to wait for that. And after that, your iMac should be almost ready. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And allow that. This is the one thing you should never really turn on. Hasn't actually ever been updated. So you don't want to set up iCloud keychain. That's just, nah. It's just not good. Okay guys, now we have this. We're gonna go ahead and click continue, and after this you should be able to see your desktop. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and wait, and there we go. We have our iMac, and just to prove you, we can go into about this Mac, and it's kind of snappy now. And macOS El Capitan, you can see right there, it's the 2014 iMac. And the storage is completely empty because obviously we have nothing here. Okay, so this is not very, it's a very old OS, but it's pretty fast. You can see here, pretty snappy. So I have turned the flash on so you can see the display. Just look at that nasty fingerprint display. We're gonna make that all disappear and look brand new. Obviously with the normal wear and tear scratches. We have that famous chin. And we're gonna go ahead and clean that up too, because you can see right there, there's some nasty stuff there. And the stand on this computer is pretty yuck. That's what I mean. Pretty nasty marks right there. Yeah, right there. Ooh, that's yuck. Ew, what's that? Yeah. There's also by the ports, pretty dirty too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna go ahead and be cleaning. We have our Magic Keyboard one. To clean it, we just need to take out the batteries out of it. We have our original power cord, which I did order a brand new one from Amazon. Not original because Apple doesn't actually sell these individually. So yeah, I need new ones because you can see right there just some wear and tear. And it's pretty black. You can see right there. I don't know if this is kind of common these cables, but just look at this cable. Oof. It's not only dirty, it's all damaged. So yeah, ooh, you can see the cables inside. So yeah, after cleaning that, obviously we're gonna clean the iMac, and obviously we're also gonna go ahead and just take out these batteries from here. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we're also gonna go ahead and clean the Magic Mouse. Oh, now that we have the flash on, you can see all the scratches that we have in here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get started. I have only done that top part. You can literally, of course, see the difference. I have done these two, all the number rows and the function keys. And just look at the bottom. Boom, boom. Do you see the difference? I suppose you do. Let's just go ahead and continue. The difference. So this is kind of the before and after times. You can see I cleaned every single key, every single one. So yeah, even the delete key, even if it's missing. Every single one, except the K. That's how every single key looked like before. You can just rewind and see the video again, so you can see I'm not lying. That's how they looked before, and this is how they look now. Do you see any difference? It is significantly wider, significantly better. And we're done. So here we have our amazingly clean iMac. Looks like a 2020 iMac since they don't look any different from the 2012 or 2014, in this case, iMacs. You can see how fast the apps launch, quick, very quick, how fast settings launches, iTunes. Okay guys, so that's being it for this video of Apple Topics. Just one last thing, if you like this video and want to continue watching this kind of videos, all you're gonna do is go to my channel and click subscribe. It's gonna be like this, click subscribe and click the little bell icon and click all, and now you're all set. Also, never forget to click the like button if you like the video. So, thanks for watching. This has been the end of an Apple Topics video. See you later.